Welcome, my name is Douglas and I'm going to be unboxing this Meta Rayban Display glasses. So I got them with, let's see, should say, the gray version. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I think it should say Shiny Sand. And I got the size 2 Meta Neural Band. From the side. So here's the neural band. And that's that. Let's get in here. There's a new case. Here are the Meta Display glasses. They're much more bulkier than the normal Wayfarer. Alright, welcome back. I found this chart that tells you exactly what everything is. So I decided to make another video and show exactly what does what. So the capture button, the same spot, same as the touchpad, capture LED, and speaker. And then it's got a microphone over here, the power switch, which is underneath, and the notification LED, which is right there. And then the way it goes into the case is, you see these connectors here, they connected there, and it just slides in like that. And then this wraps back up, and you can see the charging right there. And that's USB Type-C on the charging case. Alright, so that's my quick look at the Rayban Meta Display. Thanks for watching.